Vista has given me a ton of aha moments this week. Attending these conferences really show you the shortcuts, the efficiency of using the program. Worth every penny. I'm sure that presenters are amazing, they're fun, they keep the classes going. So all I can say is it's worth coming to these. If you haven't been to one, you need to make the effort to try to get one soon.
They've learned a lot of new things and tips and tricks to help be more efficient in our office. The highlight of the experience would be just learning those efficiencies, getting to spend a lot of time with our staff and having fun, of course.
If you want to know more and do better for your office, I think that this conference is the one that people should go to, and I hopefully be back next year.
We're learning things that we didn't even know were out there. It's worth the time to come.
The best thing has been the networking, just to all learn together in this environment's been great. The team building and the morale of having a good time, made learning fun. I just can't wait to come back.